So the final thing to look out for is the agency or freelancer you're working with going to be using obscure technology or something that's more mainstream. Now, it might not be obvious to you to begin with. It might need a little bit of research on your part and some questioning of them before you engage them for any work. But when you're building out software systems and automations, there's a lot of different tools and languages and platforms you can use to get to the same end result. Now, a big problem I've seen a lot of is that people will get something developed by a freelancer who has a real interest in a niche language or technology. And they'll build the thing, and the thing works, the thing's great. And then in a year or two, that freelancer's gone off. They've got a full-time job somewhere or doing something else or can't work on the platform. And the issue is, who do you find to do work now? If it is obscure and niche, and some of these technologies can be very niche and obscure, as in there's a handful of people in the country that could ever actually touch it and know what's going on with it. That's changing a little bit more now with AI tools being so good, but still a lot of systems need some expertise in the language or framework that it was built in. So as a qualifying question before working with anyone, find out what frameworks and languages they're going to be using. You also want to make sure that the things they use are open source. They don't come with any massive subscriptions behind the scenes or are locked into some strange third-party provider that might go bust or change the way that they operate. And find out from the provider, if they were to disappear, who else could work on the system or automation.